Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan, Head of Fundamental and Technical Research of Kotak Securities. Today, we will discuss about the markets, and on Friday, we saw a smart recovery after touching the level of 15,500. The market closed almost at the highest point of the day. Today, Asian markets are mixed and US stock futures are in the red. But US indices will remain closed today on the back of Independence Day. Singapore Nifty is down marginally, however, with key data signals favoring emerging markets. The 10-year bond yield is at 2.78. In fact, it crashed to the levels of 2.78 from the levels of 2.95. Currently, it is at 2.88, and also Brent crude is trading at 111. The Indian currency is at 79. In fact, it depreciated to the newer level, and the dollar index is at 105, which is slightly negative for our markets. The strategy should be to buy between 15,700 and 15,650. Place stop loss at 15,600. Below the level of 15,600, the Nifty will move to the southward to reach the levels of 15,500 or maybe 15,350. On the higher side, 15,850, 15,900 would be major hurdles. If Nifty stays above 15,850, then the chances of crossing 15,950 will increase and Nifty can touch or reach the levels of 16,050. Bank Nifty is also holding well above the mark of 33,000 and 33,500, 540 was the closing on Friday. It is forming a gradual rounding bottom sort of formation, and based on that we may see the levels of 34,200 or 300 in the near term. The stop loss should be at 33,000 for holding any long positions on Bank Nifty. On Friday we saw steep sell-off in Reliance Industries on the back of specific news flow regarding to the windfall tax, but the overall formation is suggesting us that it is forming a lower top bottom formation, and it has broken the level of 2300, 2375 on Friday, which is negative. So in the short term, the stock may further fall to the levels of 2330 or 2250. So 2250, 2270 should act as very good support for it, and if we see the stock is dropping to those levels, then certainly we should be buyer. But otherwise, at current levels we need to be little bit careful, and we need to see that whether the stock is sustaining below the mark of 2370 or not. For the other sectors, FMCG stocks should do well along with auto companies, as the crude is consistently under pressure and 10-year bond yield is below the level of 3%, which is positive for financials. So we may see some furthermore activity in financials in the near term. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.